Thank you, guys. Some jazz today is true. I just learned some jazz today, and you gon' learn some jazz today. Yes, you gon' learn, you gon' learn, you gon' learn. It was just past 1 when 2, 3 man with a 4, 5 step to me door like, oh my gosh, just show that cash in a black bag, run around the back and pull up the track, cause yo, couldn't believe them stories conceived for no reason. Please just go and leave them fakes in season. But me not pre them, cause nowadays you couldn't find me on the BBC, CTV, NBC. Them can't program we. Better them try to go and see. Taking the heights like Andes. Andes man one step to me. Couldn't get the best of we couldn't be the rest of we. Check when we touch the brakes and go slow. Oh no, dust them out with the one quick solo. Feel a little jazz vibes, yeah man. So yeah, I can learn it. I want to hear you guys kind of singing it with me this time. Ready? Hey, I just learned some jazz today. It's true. I just learned some jazz today, and you gon' learn some jazz today. Yes, you gon' learn, you gon' learn, you gon' learn. Alright, young you with the loop on the highway with the deuce in the coupe, man. I tell no new news of the truth. So when I say stick up and lift up, couldn't always in there, no kunta kinte. Have the strength of intent like the center incense. Got the lengths to wind, then me I flex my wings and then I try to sing but couldn't. Pun any rhythm, they feeling it now. Hype on the ceiling and not coming down. Fighting the feeling that life is a dream, but then living is death when it comes back around. So we just live for the sound. Hold up. Round here we make the sun rays soaking, first unspoken with the third eye open, bruh. I just learned some jazz today, it's true. I just learned some jazz today, and you gon' learn this jazz today. Yes, you gon' learn, you gon' learn, you gon' learn.